Here it is, the Volkswagen Golf R333. The numbers already reveal it is the most powerful Golf ever made, with no less than 333 horsepower. This is perhaps the most special Golf ever produced, but only 333 of these monsters were built in Wolfsburg. The Golf R333 comes from the factory with eye-catching lime yellow metallic paint. Black accents also underline the look of the special model, which is being launched as a potential collector's item. When you see this color ripping around, you know you are dealing with a very strong powerhouse. If you want to buy this Golf, you have to be very quick. Only 333 units will be built, and they are all equipped with the Golf R Performance Pack, which means a full titanium exhaust system from Akrapovic. The Performance Pack also has drift mode and of course the necessary driving stability and traction of the four-wheel drive. 19-inch Estoril wheel rims with semi-slick tires create a motorsport feeling. First R model with sequential numbering on badge in the interior. Golf R in a limited edition has an engine power of 333 horsepower. The Golf R333 is the first R model with a specification predefined by us that leaves no customer wishes regarding performance unfulfilled, thanks to its extensive equipment, says Hakim Halami, Head of Product Marketing at Volkswagen R. The features include R Performance Torque Vectoring with Vehicle Dynamics Manager, which distributes the drive power not just between the front and rear axles, but also between the two rear wheels. This offers a special dimension of sportiness, particularly when cornering. The drift and special driving profiles, designed for the Nürburgring racetrack, also offer additional driving pleasure away from public roads. And the top speed has also been increased to 270 km per hour, 167 miles per hour. The basic idea for limitation of the edition was provided by the engine power of 245 kW, 333 horsepower. This is the most powerful output rating of the Golf, with a torque of 420 Nm. In addition, the optimized engine tuning means that the load change response is extremely spontaneous. The turbocharger is preloaded to keep it at a constant speed during partial load driving. This then allows faster power development for subsequent acceleration. The open throttle valve in overrun phases also improves dynamics and performance on the road. When the driver takes their foot off the accelerator and then accelerates again, this allows faster buildup of the engine torque and noticeably improves the engine's responsiveness. With an acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.6 seconds, the Golf R333 Limited Edition delivers the best-in-class value compared with key competitors. The paintwork in lime yellow metallic extends the color range for the Golf R, which comprises pure white, lapis blue metallic, and deep black per defect. With the special exterior color, black painted roof, and design decals with 333 logo on the sides, this Golf R will be offered in a combination that is unique up to now, says Hallam. It is the first Volkswagen R model with a strict limitation to 333 units and with a sequentially numbered badge in the interior. Also includes premium sports seats in Napa leather with integrated head restraint and the powerful IQ.Light LED matrix headlights, including light and vision package. State-of-the-art driver assist systems are contained in the IQ.Drive package. These include travel assist, the lane assist lane keeping system, emergency assist, and adaptive cruise control (AC) with stop and go function. The Golf R333 Limited Edition also comes with a center airbag, front, and a rear view camera system. A system from Harman Kardon with 8 loudspeakers and 480-watt total output supplies perfect sound in the interior. The Golf R has cult status. Since 2002, more than 250,000 orders have been placed for the bestseller from Volkswagen R. The Golf R333 limited edition is extremely important for our brand, says Peter Jost, Head of Marketing and Sales, Volkswagen R. It is precisely such limited and high-performance vehicles that turbocharge the Volkswagen R brand, a genuine eye-catcher and extremely attractive. Every customer can be sure that they have an extremely rare vehicle and a potential collector's item in their garage. With prices starting at €76,410, the special edition model can be ordered at German dealerships from 2 June. Production of all 333 vehicles in Wolfsburg is scheduled for September this year so that the first models can be handed over to customers from October. In addition, a customer event in the Autostadt is planned for all buyers of the Golf R333 limited edition who pick up their vehicle in Wolfsburg, Germany in October. If you want to stay up to date with all German car news, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you want to see more. I wish you a great day and see you soon with the next video.